special right triangles. And we go over together. Then you can read the book, do assignment. I'll give you more minutes to do assignment. This part depends on your algebra. Depends on your algebra. Isosceles right triangle. We have special right triangles. First one is 45, 45, 90. 30, 60, 90. Special right triangles. First one is 45, 45, 90. Isosceles right triangle means 45, 45, 90 degrees. Right triangle. Those two sides are congruent. Those two angles are congruent. Do you understand, please? If this side is x, this side should be x. This side is square root of 2 times x. When I was in school, the teacher told us, if this side is 1, this side should be 1, this side is square root of 2. So, in other words, isosceles right triangle, or 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle, the relationship of three sides, 1 square root of 2. Something how to remember. 1 square plus 1 square equals to square root of 2 square or no? If yes, this 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, perfect. Why we choose 1, not 2, not 3? Because 1 is the smallest whole number. Something, why you get this one, why you get square root of 2? Because we cannot find a small number, 1 square root of 2. You can, this number must be square root of something. You cannot find every number is whole number. Though if you can find it, you are really good, okay? Because there is no whole number. 1 square root of 2 for 45, 45, 90 degrees. Now, I hope you understand me. I write this one on the board, 45, 45, 90 degrees. We have some practice. The quiz, you need to do this kind of stuff. Okay, please? For every question is 45, 45, 90 degrees. Now, who is a volunteer to do the first question for me? X equals what? Four square root of 3? 2. 4 square root of 2. Is that correct? Yes. If this side is 4 times square root of 2 is this side. This one should be 4, so this one should be 4 times square root of 2. So you can remember. 1 square root of 2. 4 square root of 2. Okay? Second question. This is 6. X is what? 6 square root of 2. You get 6 square root of 2. Do you understand me or no? Mm-hmm. Because this side is 6, this side should be 6. So 6 times square root of 2. 1 times square root of 2. 4 times square root of 2. 6 times square root of 2. Now, this question. If this side is square root of 2, x is what?
3.
3. Thank you. 3 square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. Because hypotenuse divided square root of 2 is 3. This side should be 3. Now, this is 5, this is 5, this is what? 5 square root of 2. This side is 2. This side should be what? 2 over square root of 2. This is 9 square root of 2. This side should be what? So, if you know leg times square root of 2, get hypotenuse. If you know hypotenuse divided by square root of 2, get the leg. Is that clear? The rule is quite simple. If you know the leg times square root of 2, leg times square root of 2, leg times square root of 2. If you know hypotenuse over square root of 2, hypotenuse over square root of 2, hypotenuse over square root of 2, Easy work. Is that clear? Good. We have a table. The question is 45, 45, 90 degrees. If the question gives you x, you find y. If the question gives you y, you find x, means the question gives you hypotenuse, y, you find leg. If the question gives you x, means give you leg, find the hypotenuse. First question, x equals 2, y is what? 2 square 2. Thank you. 2 times square 2. This is square 2. This one should be what? 1. Okay. Square 2 divided by square 2. 4. 7. 7 square 2. Do you understand me, please? This table is so important for chapter 7. Chapter 7. We will learn sine, cosine, tangent tomorrow. If you don't know this part, that's why I told you before, some students, they are sitting in AP calculus class. They don't know sine 30 degrees, cosine 60 degrees. This is just a joke, okay? How to get 30, 60? You have to know this table. This is the foundation for forever, okay, please? Again, hypotenuse is y. Leg is x. For 45, 45, 90 degrees. X is leg. X times square root of 2 get y. Y divided by square root of 2 get x. Clear? Good. Now, we have 30, 60, 90 triangle to go. Almost the same thing, just a little bit different. You can see 30, 60, 90. 30 is the smallest angle, so x is a shorter leg. 60 is second biggest angle. This one is longer leg. 90 degrees, opposite should be hypotenuse. We learned the bigger the angle is, the shorter the leg is. The bigger the angle is, the longer the side is. Do you remember that? Good. X, if this side is x, this side should be x times square root of 3. This side is 2x. Same thing. If this side is 1, this side is square 3, this is 2. You remember this is 1, square 3, 2, right triangle. Shorter leg is 1. Longer leg is square 3. Hypotenuse is 2. Now, how assumption is I don't believe. 1 square plus 3 square 3 square equals to 2 square. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Yes. So everything can be proved. Not only remember, you need to know how to get this. Yes.
I still don't understand.
Okay, sure. I'll go over again. If this is 30, 60, 90 degrees, right triangle. If 30, 60, 90. Shorter leg. This is shorter leg. If this is 1, longer leg, just times square root of 3. 1 times square 3. Hypotenuse, 1 times 2. For instance, this side is 5. 5. This is a 5 square root of 3. This is 10. This is 10. This is 20. This is 10 square root of 3.
So is x always going to be 1?
X is shorter leg. 30 degrees opposite. We learned for this triangle, 30 degree is the smallest angle. The opposite side should be shortest. Shorter. 60, this one is longer. 90, opposite should be longest. So we learned before, okay, please? If this side is 1, this side is 1 times square root of 3. This is 2 times 1. 1 times 2 or 2 times 1. Do you understand, please? So rule is not difficult work. So today's, if you know those 45, 45, 90, 36, 90, sine, cosine, special angles, you can remember, I will write it there, okay, please? This is exactly the same thing. 30, 60, 90, I put it here. 45, 45, 90, I put it here. I give you this question here. I give you some examples now. Okay, please. Now we have examples. Same thing. First one, who is the volunteer to find x? Who else? Yes? 4. Y is what? Thank you. 2, because 30 degrees, opposite is the shortest. 2 times square 3 is longer leg. 2 times 2 is 4. This is 6 is hypotenuse. X equals to what? Yes? Thank you. Good. Because shorter leg is half of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse double. Thank you. Thank you. Y is what?
3 square root of
3
3.
times square 3. You can see just times square 3. For this part, 30 degrees opposite. X is shorter leg. X. Longer leg is square 3. Shorter leg should be what? Square 3 divided by square 3. So this one should be square root of 3 divided by square 3. This side is 1. This is 1. Y is what? 2. Thank you. Good. Now 30, 60, 60, 90. Hypotenuse is 10. Y is what? This is 5 square 3. And for this side, this is 7. Hypotenuse should be what? 14. This one should be what? 7 square 3. For 30 degrees is x. This is longer side. X should be what?
6.
Do you understand me now, please? Shorter leg. Any shorter leg is half of hypotenuse. Shorter leg is half of hypotenuse. Shorter leg is half hypotenuse. But the longer leg is square root of 3 times of shorter. Y is 3 square 3 over 3. And 2 square 3 of 2. So 2 over square 3 over 2 is square root of 3. The ratio, you can see here, 1 square 3, 2. 1 times square 3 is longer leg. 1 times 2 is hypotenuse. Do you understand, please? Good. Same thing. Last one. I'll give you more minutes to finish the assignment. Okay, please? If the question like right triangle, 30, 60, 90 degrees, if give you A, you find B and C. If give you B, you find A and C. If question give you C, you get A and B. This is so important for us. First question, who is the volunteer to the first question? Yes?
So
A is 5, B is what?
B would be 5 times square.
Yes, 5 square 3. C is what?
10.
Good. This new year is different, right? It's young one, you're so good, okay? Yes, good. Thank you. I told you, you follow me, easy work. You don't follow me, today maybe you're okay. The case test, you will be in trouble, okay, please? If B is 2 square 3, X is what? 2. C is what?
4.
2, 4, 5, 10. This is 8. A should be what?
4. 4 square root of 3.
6. This one should be what? 22.
11.
You can see, easy work. Do you understand, please? I'll give you one more question, okay, please? 30 degrees, right triangle. If this side is 5, this side is what? Who can tell me? This question will happen to your test, okay, please? This side is 5. How about this side? This side. This side is what? Yes?
The shorter side is 5 over root 3.
Longer side? the hypotenuse. Do you understand them, please? Give you longer leg divided by 5 divided by square 3 is a shorter leg. 5 over square 3 times 2 is 10 over square 3. So you can simplify. So if you can simplify, just simplify. Next year, go to Algebra 2. Don't tell the teacher, obviously, don't require us to simplify. Algebra 1 teacher should require you to simplify. I also require you to simplify, but we have many students, they just don't know how to simplify. So you give me 5 over square 3, 10 over square 3 is good. But this is better, okay? This is best, okay, please? Any other questions? No? Again, 30, 60, 90 degrees, the relationships 1, square 3, 2. 1 times square 3 is longer leg. 1 times 2 is hypotenuse. 45, 45, 90 degrees. 1, 1, square 2. So 1 times 1, just another side, because 45, 45, those two must be the same. 1 times square 2 is this side. So how to prove 1 square plus square 3 square equals to 2 square? Perfect. 1 square plus 1 square equals square 2 square. So everything is on the board, and I don't think it's very hard, not very hard. We will learn very soon, tomorrow, okay, please? Sine, cosine, tangent. I write sine, cosine, tangent on the board. Some students already finished everything, they want to know more. So for instance, sine, cosine, tangent. And 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. So first, sine 30 degrees, 30, 45, 60, okay, please. Is 1/2, and 30 square 3 over 2 is 1. 45 degrees, square root 2 over 2, and square 3 over 2. 36 to 40. Cosine, square 3 over 2, square 2 over 2, 1/2. Tangent, 30. 1 over square 3, I just give you this one, or 3, square 3 over 3. Or 45 is 1, this is square root 3. So if you can do this, tomorrow you can do this, your chapter 7 almost there. Do you understand, please? So sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, cosine 30, whatever, okay? But this is for tomorrow, not for today. And I think everything is there. I talked to 3 of my students 2 years ago in my geometry class. One student get 1520, is perfect for PSAT. Other 2 students get 1500, 1490 points. So PSAT 9th grader is 14, and 1440 is perfect. 10th grader and 11th grader is 1520. So you want to be National Merit Scholarship. Math, reading, writing, you only can miss 3 questions. 1490 is the minimum for Texas. Do you understand, please? I told them maybe someday they will come to my 2nd period, 3rd period, tell you some experience how to prepare for PSAT. So PSAT, I told the class last semester, PSAT is not the question that on the board, it's not hard work, but you just need to know the basic stuff. So those 3 students did a very good job, okay? So I will ask them to come to my class.
And these are retakes for your